it's time to unbox everything. Oh my god. I know it's not a cheap product, but it feels like a premium product. I love that stuff. So let's take a look what is going on outside and inside of the fridge. So these pieces will form a side panel that we will remove. This thing is a huge power adapter that will go under the console this way, and we will connect the fridge just right here, I think. And this is a power cable that goes to the back of your truck, and well, you will plug it there. The manual, highly recommend to read because the installation process is on the page 3, just right here. Talking about the fridge, there is a set of buttons on both the driver's side and the passenger side for powering it on, changing the temperature and switching between modes and Celsius and Fahrenheit as it supports both. It looks like so from the driver's side, so it's pretty much the same here. It also has USB-C ports on each side, which is awesome. The top of the fridge looks like this, and it has an extra rubber mat that fits perfectly on top, so you can put some stuff on top of the fridge and it won't slip anywhere, because, you know, it's made of rubber. So the lid is magnetic and opens quite nicely, and the fridge is pretty deep, as you can see here. It would probably also fit a cat, but my cat is already cool, and I love her. It also has a shelf inside, which is relatively small and could fit a few chocolate bars or something similar. This is nice if you want a little shelf, but if you don't, when you remove it, there are a couple of grooves underneath that will fit a bottle of something like water, as in my case. As you can see from this angle, you can also fit a much bigger bottle, like a bottle of wine, for example. On the bottom it has a little cubby that is kind of impossible to take out easily. Well, everything is possible, but some things only once, so I will keep it there, I don't want to break it. It looks useful and fits one bottle of water if you push it down, or for example your kid's phone, which is a great thing too. And now, B-roll. I know it's a little bit early, but before we continue, if you like this video, consider to press the like button, and if you dislike this video, consider to press the dislike button, because there are 2 buttons below for that, and I would really appreciate if you could push one of those, because I put a lot of effort in my videos, and yeah, I would really appreciate that. And I, in return, will tell you how I stress relieve unboxings, because they are pretty much tedious. You need to set the camera and all that. And secret is, I love throwing!